Hello, second grade. Today you should be taking your phonics test, and this is what it should look like. Little cup of hot chocolate on it, I guess that is, and it should be phonics and language, page 27. So get that out now, and a pencil with an eraser, and grab a parent. Make sure they're keep an eye on you while you're doing this. And we're going to go ahead and get started. If you need to get all that, just pause the video. And you can pause the video throughout this also if you need to hear me repeat a word, okay? Because I'm not going to be repeating words through this since you can just rewind it. Okay, so number 1 on our test says, write the words that I say. And then you're circling the adjectives. So remember, adjectives are describing words. They describe how many and what kind, okay? So for the first one, your paper actually has 4 lines on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So I'm gonna say an adjective phrase. Like for example, I'm going to say something like soft kitty. Okay, so you would write soft kitty in between these lines. Okay, that's going to be the first one. And then you're going to have another one. That's going to be the second one down here. So you're only going to have 2. Okay, and then it says to circle the adjectives. Okay, so is soft the adjective, or is kitty the adjective? Soft is describing kitty. Kitty is the noun. So you would circle the adjective soft. Okay, hopefully you understand that. Okay, so number 1, the first adjective phrase I'm going to say is gentle giant. And remember, spelling counts. Okay, so the phrase again is gentle giant. Okay, so that should go on the top, in between your 2 top lines, okay? The next adjective phrase is best author, like somebody who writes a book. Best author. And I think author is actually a clue word, from what I remember. So that would go right here. Okay? Now, for number 2, if you need to pause the video to finish that, go right ahead. But I'm going to move on. For number 2, you are writing 2 sentences this time, not just 1 sentence, 2. So let me erase this, and I'll show you how the lines are on your test. Your lines look like this. Okay, you have 3 blue lines. I want you to write one of your sentences here and the next sentence here. Okay? And at any time, if I'm going too fast, just pause the video. Okay? So the first sentence says, I'm helping Mom dig a garden. Remember all your phonics rules when we write sentences, okay? Punctuation, capitalization, all that good stuff. Okay, the sentence again is, I'm helping Mom dig a garden. And your second sentence, which you're writing down in the next line, will you help us? Will you help us? And you can pause the video again to listen to the sentences again if you need to. Okay, I'm going to move on. Number 3 on your test, right near the hot chocolate cup. Number 3, right here. It says, read the sentences and circle the adjective that describes each underlined noun. Okay, so you're going to read the sentence, and in each sentence there's there's 2 words. The last sentence actually has 3 words. So there's 2 words here in the first sentence, 2 words here that are underlined, 2 words here, and 3 words in this last sentence. You're going to circle the adjective that is describing each of those nouns that are underlined. Okay? And then number 4, this is the new thing that we just learned, articles. It says write a or an in the blanks. And if you need to pause the video and go back to the articles video to review, I will give you permission to do that, because since it's a new concept that we just learned and they're already testing you, you may go ahead and do that. If you feel like you have a good understanding of that, just go ahead and do it. But do your best, okay? And the back, the oral phonics, we're not going to do. So we're just going to skip that part for today. Actually, until this whole time while we're doing the online testing, we're going to be skipping the oral math and the oral phonics part. Okay, so go ahead. You may finish the rest of your test, take your time, and do your best, and I will talk to you later. Okay, bye.